arrived in Siquijor.
Too many. It's so big.
Too much iron.
Yeah, it's too much. This valley is not that. No, not there. There.
Goatish. Boo!
Winning.
Tignan natin.
Game of
Tignan natin yung winning shot. If it is.
Yeah, you just saw that.
Whatever.
May shaka pa rin dito ah.
the sound effect.
Lower eh.
There's the good thing.
And then you suggest na pasta ako na hanggang kaunan man din. Homemade ang pasta na.
Fresh pasta.
It smells so good.
Fresh
This is tagliatelle funghi. It's homemade pasta, right?
Yeah, it's homemade. Kaya nga daw unahin siya kasi nagda-dry agad yung sauce.
Wow! So this is al dente homemade pasta. It's good.
Al dente po.
So sarap. 11 out of 10.
Si ate. Maalat.
Wait mo yun.
Supposed to roll it up. Sarap. Ay, nahulog. Sarap. The dough. Ba't walang ganda sa Manila?
Meron.
I love the dough. Sarap ng dough.
Ay, ito na sila oh. Si Argentina. Nananalang sila. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh my God.
Morning.
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
You've been around?
Not much.
We woke up late. Salted caramel. Oil mo na. Oil mo na.
Go. Grabe.
Conjuring.
This is the Bayonne gelato.
Egg yolk. It's vanilla. Diba? Hindi yung good.
Itali dito.
This salted caramel gelato. Oh my God! Apocalypse is starting!
And it is just like this, so it is.
Masyadong mainit para sa butterfly.
Pag rainy season ba, are they okay?
Hinakuan mo gunagod, alis go.
Wala ako matandaan mo, Your Honor.
Bili ko yung jingle, tapos doon sa kettle.
Barong-barong, oh. Gusto ito ng lolo mo.
It's not given, bruh.
Yes, yes. Yapin na pong bill out mo na. Ah, sige. Pag pabalik ka ta. Fix.
Show me. What's that? Chocolate cheesecake.
Parang
Well pa, diba? Oh, at least it's chilled off. Chilled talaga.
miss you.
Let's take the chocolate first.
Miss you.
Madam na maganda. Pero, syempre, tuwan-tuwa naman yan at nabati siya. Tapos, sagot si Ann. Kailan tayo ulit magkikita, sabi niya dito.
I'm
Pagdating ng
speechless.
isa pang madam,
Sino naman yan?
Wilma,
Aha.
pag minamadam din na si Wilma, kasi panay din ang travel niya rin. Mag-late B-day celeb siya. I-free ko sketch ko. Tapos, si Wilma, wala ka alam-alam na pinag-tuwan siya.
I'm scared of my halo-halo.
Hindi nga. Nagpa-private na
You can never be bad at halo-halo.
Kasi ano, sabi niya parang naghahanap ng pro ball.
Tubong talaga.
Kanina na nasa. Eventually,
Halo-halo tasters.
tapos yun nga.
Si Mamo. Nag-pause.
Kasi nga. Duhang 650.
4. 1, 4. 1,
Fairness. Yeah.
1, 4, 1. 3 lang.
Dali.
1, 3, no?
Ma'am.
1,000.
Dito tayo. Program na natin.
Kasi nalalamig yan.
Oh, picture na. Dali.
Guys, may pupuntahan pa. Go. Ako ginanon ko.
Yung?
Ay, pag-iyan na. Si Papa, gani. Paano si Papa?
Ha? Tataba na isda, oh. Puro kaluluman flash.
Uy, ayaw. Don't you go there.
Lang, hindi siya tumitigil sa pang. I know, right?
Empanada. Iced caramel.
Meron.
Going to taste my kawali.
Ang kinakain ko, may ganun na isa pag...
Kaka! Oh my God.
Bakit kasi shortcut? Lalo kang
Guys, tea.
Kakaiba rin yung tura. Pagka
Sourdough pizza.
vegetarian lang.
The pizza was vegan pala. That was my first and last vegan pizza. Thank you very much.
Ito yung ano niya, yung haba niya, yung pataas naman yung tapos ito lang lang sa'yo.
Ready? Go! Perfect! 1 hour lang tayo dito ha. Okay? 1 hour. Siguro pa tayong lilipat ang snorkeling activities niya.
How are you feeling?
I'm sick.
Boo, you poor.
We're going to taste Lilibet's bread. This is Pandi Coco. Trust bread.
165. Ano?
Tinalay. Burnt. Tinalay.
Sinira na yung house. Yun o. Yung, ano yun eh, architect.
Torta.
Ha? Dito, mag-smart ko.
Mas gusto ko yung kamigin.
Ay, hindi na tuloy.
May sugar sa kamigin,
Alam
ano?
mo, I think weird tayo. Kasi
I'm sick, insecure. Stay there.
Welcome to my humble abode. This is Mika, ha? Kisha.
actually daw. Thank you.
Alpha Sigma, skibbity toilet, don't stop edging to my ground.
Ito mong bread.
Uy, thanks, Sue.
Okay na.
Love Korean.
Tapos after 2 years, papakita ko po sa inyo. Makalimutan ko pa rin.
Salted egg.
Ikaw nga dyan ng
Chicken. Salted chicken.
Harap naman. Gusto ko yan sa mala. Kaya solte. Labing taba, oh. Kuman. What? Nanap ko yung laman-laman.
Going to the Otikin store. I missed the Otikin store. Huh? Wala na yung store. It was Giniba, and then another building was built. Wala na yung Otikins. And I'm forever gonna miss the taste of chocolate cookies. Otikin style. Still on menace. Taste the ice cream first. Bube. I love Bube. Oh my gosh, they have Kellogg's. So I'll try the ribs first. Tender. Here's the chicken thighs.
Silkiness.
like I never left.
Ganyan yung itsura na dati oh.
Vulnerable children and families. To know more about UNICEF's programs for children, visit unicef.ph. Thank you again for supporting UNICEF with Cebu Pacific.